The European Commission has proposed a temporary emergency regulation to accelerate the deployment of renewable energy in the face of the energy crisis and the knock-on effects of the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. Scheduled to last for 1 year, the proposal will remove administrative red tape around planning permission and deployment, allowing renewable energy sources to be fast-tracked into operation. Solar PV deployed on artificial structures, buildings, car parks, transport infrastructure, sheds, and co-located storage systems and grid connections will have a maximum deadline of 1 month for planning permission under the proposal. The energy crisis has unfolded at pace in Europe, and Germany in particular is feeling the strain as it imports close to 70% of its energy. As a result, electricity prices are expected to remain high through to winter 2023. The German government abolished the EEG levy from 1 July 2022, as well as simplifying the grid connection process to help alleviate the increasing electricity prices. From the beginning of 2023, anyone operating a solar PV system with an output of up to 30 kW on a single-family home or commercial property will also no longer have to pay income tax on the electricity yield. This tax exemption also applies to multi-family houses and mixed-use properties owning a PV system with an output of 15 kW. VAT will no longer be applied on the purchase, import, and installation of solar systems and energy storage systems. Also introduced is the option for individuals and businesses to deploy 2 different PV systems on a single property. This measure could be particularly beneficial to the agriculture sector that could, for example, register a 15 kW system for self-consumption on a home or a 70 kW food feeding system on farm building. A plan for an additional 1.5 GW solar tender, a so-called special crisis tender, is scheduled to take place on January 15, 2023. Germany residents are becoming more willing to adopt energy storage as more and more households are equipped with heat pump heating systems and drive electric vehicles. The German solar market is expanded to see its biggest ever increases across the rooftop, utility scale, and energy storage sectors. According to certain research, annual installation figures in Germany are expected to reach 10 GW energy storage to reach 2 GW in 2023. Though political support for the expansion of renewables has increased in the face of the current energy crisis, there are considerable obstacles on the supply side, material goods and skilled labor, which will hinder expansion in the short term.